In this video, we're going to compare Opera GX with the Opera browser. So let's see their difference. As you can see, one is usable, the other one is Opera One. Honestly, Opera GX is their gaming-oriented browser with design choice that I personally don't like, but at least you can personalize it a tiny little bit. It have gaming news, add-on that allows you to limit your use percentage, and also annoying sounds that you can turn off. Opera One is their new AI browser with absolute horrible user interface, and you need to scroll a tiny little bit because they want to be like Apple with their design choices. So this actual description is actually just from this user. It's personal and not factual. It's not bad at all according to some users. Now, the only thing that missed on GX is the built-in Spotify on the sidebar. So this one is actually a plus. It has sidebar, and Spotify is still looking good as well on that case. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.